Hello, this is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance. Today we're going to look at how to be successful selling insurance. Let's start with goal setting. How much money do you need to make? Now with the insurance industry, and I'm assuming on this one that we're talking about agency owners, your insurance a lot of times on property casualty has to do with residual business, and so it can take a few years to build up your reputation and to build up your book of business. But let's talk about the fundamentals of how to do that in an expedient fashion. Let's do the math. How much money do you need? You take the amount of money that you need to make and you divide that by attainable daily goals. You know what those goals are mathematically by your close ratio. A close ratio is how many contacts do you need to contact to sell policies. This involves a marketing plan. How are you going to let people know where you're at? And this involves having money set aside for it. This is a complete business plan. So you figure out how much money you need. Then you figure out what you need to do to get that money. How many people you need to contact with the products that you have to sell. You divide that amount by your close ratio. So if you need to make $1,000, you may need to contact, say, 40 people, and of those 40 people, have 10 of them purchase. It's a matter of math. But you need to take it a step farther than that. Everything looks good in writing, but you have to keep positive. You have to keep your eye on the goal. And from day to day, you can have some battles mentally. You need to be able to remain positive and to understand that when people say no, it's a numbers game. One no is the next yes. Other successful sales strategies involve how you do your marketing, what companies you write for. But when you are looking to be successful selling insurance, a really good way to start is to talk to other successful insurance agencies. You can derive a lot of very useful information, including what products are best for you to sell, what products have less competition in your area, and that kind of insider information. Sales also involves being competent at what you're doing. So learn your product and know that with insurance, you really need to care about your customers, whether they be commercial customers that are relying on you to cover their assets should anything happen, or personal lines customers that don't know what to do when they're in an accident and they need to give you a call. You need to be there. Part of sales is service. For a successful future, know your numbers, know what you need to do, and plan carefully. Set different times of the week for selling, and say a Tuesday morning for doing your paperwork and maybe a Saturday morning for doing your administrative tasks. When you start out, there's a lot of work to do, but you will find it's a very successful business to be in. This is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance, and today we've discussed how to be successful at selling insurance.